Good morning. It's your homeboy Six Figures, and you're welcome to my Six Figures Online YouTube Academy. Well, it is Wednesday morning. I am still home. Today, I'm going to show you my update and my journey with 86 football. But have it in mind that I decided to risk 5,000 naira with this business opportunity called 86 football, and all what I've been doing is simply copy and paste, and every day I'm making 3% on my spot trading. Now let's dive into 86 football. Now currently 2 weeks plus I started out with this 86 football sport betting opportunity, and currently I want to show you where I am sitting at right now. I am sitting at 54,753 naira 44 kobo. And what have I withdrawn so far? Let's see my personal withdrawals. I'm able to withdraw 5,000 naira. And the truth of the matter, this was the only money I deposited, and all these transaction failed. Actually, I was using it to just do some um video illustration for some groups, so it have been recorded for me. But all I have put in this business is only 5,000 naira. Now the question is, many of you want to make money online. You don't have 50, 60,000 to start an affiliate business. You don't have 100,000, you don't have 20,000, but I can tell you with as low as 3,500, you can do this business. Now, the reason I'm doing this update so that you should understand that this business actually paying. Now, having said that, let me quickly go to one of my WhatsApp group, okay, where I call it 3,500 startup. Now I have members here that have started this business, and what I'm doing, I'm showing them how to actually grow up their what their money. Now I want to briefly share some testimony. This is Mr. Obina. He said his journey in 2 weeks. I initially started with 11,000. He later top up to 42. So far, he have made 7,000 bonus, and now he's making 2K every day. Currently, as per last night we were together, he has made over 150,000. He placed a withdrawal of 60,000 naira. And also, I want to show you a friend of mine, not really a friend, but actually we met on the online space, and I have okay, fine. Look at he said something, say, sir, you see, he have okay, plus the 7K where I don't collect, plus the 3K when be referral bonus. You understand? I you mean so I actually told him, now look at it, he said, I've reached my 20 referral, will pay 33K. So in this business, referral is not compulsory, but if you introduce 5 people, you're going to enjoy 7,000 naira bonus. If you introduce 20 people, for those of you that have the capacity, you're going to enjoy um 33,000 naira. So what am I trying to say here? I'm trying to show you that so far so good. And please, point of note, I'm not a financial advisor. I decided to take risks because I know with my 5,000 naira, two things will happen. I'm a family man. I could spend it in my family, and I'll still look for money to keep spending on my family because that's what I signed for. Or I can save it in the bank, and the bank will help me. The bank will help me to reduce the money every day, or I could spend the money on catfish, or that kind of thing. But look, money is meant to do two things. Money is meant for bread and for investment. I've invested here, and so far so good, it have paid off. All right, so there's a lot of things, and let me actually show you so that you not feel that I have referred a lot of people. So far I've referred only 9 people, and the good thing is that it's through the social media. All right, but the good thing, I'm showing my downlines, I'm showing my partners, and they are actually duplicating what I'm doing, and they're even getting a faster result than me. Because I did actually go aggressive. I decided to just take it cool, slow, and steady. So therefore, if you are thinking of how to actually try out this business with just 3,500, I invite you to join the 3,500 startup. There's no long story about this business. It's all about sport betting, trading, sport trading, betting. You copy and paste signals that is sent to us. And let me quickly show you before I round off. Let me show you the signal from last night. Don't mind the noise. I am at home. You can see all these people put. Okay, so let's see what happened right now. For last night, 9 o'clock. Look at the signal they gave us. Sao Paulo. I'm not very good with all these verses. Sao Bernardo. No, pardon me. But the score is 2-3. Now in this business, it is called reverse betting. Reverse betting. When we predict 2-3, if 2-3 happens, we lose. But when we predict 2-3 and it did not happen, that's where we make money. Unlike the conventional, you're looking for a short bet 1-0. If that 1-0 did not happen, then your ticket don't cut. But here it is reverse betting. So I intend to make this video very short. This is my update. This is just an update on my journey with 86 football. So if you're interested, there's going to be a link below. You can reach out to me and I'll guide you ASAP. Alright, so thank you. Please, if you like this, if you're a first comer, please kindly like, subscribe, drop your comment, please. Alright, let's grow up this channel. So you're welcome. Six Figures Online Academy is where we share business content on how to make money online, reviews, and what have you. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing the next video. Bye bye.